Hey guys, recording this quick video to tell you about the third video of the part of the free Facebook and Instagram ads training course is live right now, and as you can see, the title of the video is how do I not waste money on Facebook ads or Instagram ads as such. And if you have not watched the prior two videos which went on about the different ad types and what type of audiences that you should target, then I highly recommend that you watch the video. All you have to do is just click the link in the description below, and you can just watch it for yourself about what it stands for and what are the things you can take out from it, right? So basically, this free training has been a part of giving you the broader picture of what this guy right here can do to you when it comes to Facebook ads and Instagram ads mastery, right? This guy, as I've said in the prior videos, is one of the biggest guys when it comes to Facebook ads in general, and he has had tremendous success, and many of the influential guys or the entrepreneurs actually take help from this guy, and he has enough testimonials which I have mentioned in another video, right? I will definitely link out to that video and you can watch for yourself about what this guy stands for, and you can definitely see that this is a man of his word, and if you're going to learn from him, you're going to get tremendous value out of it. And if you don't believe it, it's all right. I completely understand that you have the right to be skeptical. So what I suggest is just watch the free 3-part training series of the videos that I have mentioned. All you have to do is just click the link in the description below. You just have to give your email, and the 3 videos that he has covered is completely free, and you can watch it for yourself. That the free training itself is very informative and you can get a whole lot of it. I, as a newbie when it comes to Facebook ads, have learned a lot from these 3 videos about how to target different audiences and how to not waste my budget, and also like what type of ad type should I be choosing, right? And I would though recommend that the third video is a little advanced, and even though it's common sense, like a complete beginner might have a hard time understanding all of it, but still it's very good information. And like I say, the course which it stands for, which is Clicks Conversion Clients, is going to be live on 22nd of September, so you can definitely check out that product too, because it's a course, and I can definitely vouch for the course to be the best Facebook and Instagram ads training ever, right? Because this guy right here is very genuine. David Schloss is one of the most genius guys that I have ever met when it comes to Facebook ads, and if he's going to train you, then definitely root for getting great results out of it, right? And also, if you want more value out of this, then I'm going to give you different tools and also everything that you need at your disposal to achieve tremendous results when it comes to Facebook ads mastery, right? I will be pitching you with many tools that you can correlate with this course itself, and you can create a good business in whatever field you are in right now. And this course right here works for any niche, right? Like you can go in there if you're into affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or whatever there is in the internet marketing domain, right? And you can make a killing out of it. So I highly recommend that you check out this free training. At least you don't even have to look at the details of the course. All you have to do is just look at the free training, and if you get enough value out of it, then it's good for you and me. It's a win-win deal, right? And if you're interested, I will hook you up with the course too, and you can just find for yourself what it stands for, right? And also, when you click the link in the description below, you should like opt for their notification list, so that you get the idea when they are going live with different videos and course related information, right? So definitely give that a go. All you have to do is just give your email ID and it's good to go. And to top it all of this, on whatever I'm going to give you in getting over Facebook ads and mastering it, right? Like getting successful results out of it, I am also going to give you some good bonuses that are completely free of cost, and it's some high massive value, right? All you have to do is just click the link and buy from my link, or like check out the course through my link, and I am going to give you some of the best bonuses that will complement this course, and you can get your feet wet, be you a beginner or a master at the domain, right? So definitely wait for that. because I'll be coming out with all the bonuses, giving it to you, and you can look for yourself if the bonuses, the course and the tools are worth it or not. So that's it for today, guys. Like, this is the third video of the free training series, and I highly recommend that you watch the prior three videos, that is, and get an understanding of what this course is all about. And this is it, guys. Like, this is the three videos. It's done. You can watch it. It's live right now, and I'll be creating one more video reviewing the course itself, which will be live on 22nd of September. So wait for that, guys, and hopefully I think you enjoyed the video, you like the video. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you tomorrow.